Hi, I'm Adam. I'm a dad, a grandpa, a husband. I work full time and I come home and I want to give my family a good meal, but I'm pretty tired, so we need to make it quick, simple, and delicious. So tonight I'm going to show you how you can put together a wonderful creamy tomato soup that's great for any meal. Throw in a grilled cheese sandwich and it's just like Mom used to make. So we're going to start with the ingredients we've got going here today. Got about a half of a yellow onion, chopped up fine, fresh basil, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We're also going to use chicken stock, tomato sauce, and finish it off with heavy cream. Now I'm going to get the pot going and then I'm going to show you how this all comes together. Alright, we're going to get the onions into our pot with a little bit of oil. We're just going to do these till they get translucent and a little bit tender. I like to wait to put the garlic in so it doesn't burn and get the onions going a little bit on the start. Looks like a little bit of our basil fell in, but that won't hurt anything. Then you need to remember you can always add flavors you like and make less of the flavors you don't like. This isn't rocket science, just do what you like. So we've got a nice flame on this. The onions smell good. We'll go ahead and now we can add our garlic in. Alright, as you can see, our onions are getting a nice translucent, little bit of brown to them, just a touch. I chop these really fine. Normally I have a immersion blender that I would blend this all up and make it super smooth, but a few little chunks aren't going to hurt anybody. So now we're going to add our fresh basil, which is really going to make it smell good in here. Give this a quick stir. Mix it in a little bit. Oh yeah, you can smell that. Now let's get our chicken stock. Alright. I use the whole box. This warm reheat's really good for lunch or a dinner later in the week. Get her stirred up. You have to kind of get this brought up to a boil and then we'll add our tomato sauce. But while we're waiting, it's probably a good time to add a little bit of pepper and some salt. And pretty much, if you like a lot of salt, add a lot. If you don't like salt, don't add any. You can always add more after it's cooked. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add the tomato sauce. Then we'll wait, come back, and we'll show you how we finish it all off in the end. So a nice large can of tomato. Start to see that rich tomato color coming out. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit and we'll show you how to finish it off with the cream and get it ready for dinner. Alright, you can see we've got this all up to a nice boil. It smells amazing in here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add some cream and we'll be about ready to serve it. So I'm going to probably put close to a cup of heavy cream. I know it looks like a lot, but there we go. Stir that in. You want to check your tomato sauce when it's heating up because sometimes the tomato will stick to the bottom, so you want to stir it every once in a while to make sure it doesn't. Well, that's looking good. I can't wait to taste it. Alright, we've got it done. You can see all that basil floating around and there's going to be wonderful for flavor. A little bit in a bowl. Now, just so you know, if you like chunky tomatoes, you can get some of the flavored or stewed tomatoes in chunks. Give you a little bit more chunk to it. You put some cayenne pepper in it, some hot pepper. If you really want to have fun, you can take some fresh zucchini, some other vegetables, put it in, just get them nice and cooked, and you'll just have a really refreshing, more full soup. So let's see how this turned out. It's definitely hot. Yes, creamy. It's got enough salt, and you can just taste the basil throughout. Anyway, hope you give it a try. We're going to see how this goes on YouTube, and we'll keep doing more recipes and little quick things for you to try. Have a good night.